This video explains the creation process of essay question type. Any question can be created both in the test creation process and through question pools. Therefore, you may navigate to the question pools in the tests, decide whether you want to create a question for an existing question pool, or create a new one and simply click on this button to choose a question type. Or enter the test creation wizard. Select the first method. Then click on the Add New Question button. Essay questions require an answer in a sentence, paragraph, or short composition on a given topic, for example, analysis or explanation, usually of a specified length. Essay question has only one scoring method, manual grading. This means a question is graded by the instructor only after a test is finished for each candidate individually. However, you can define how many points and penalty points a question will carry. You can edit text, preview it, add a formula or an attachment. You can add images, video, and audio files. You can create versions of this question in different languages. Click on Add Translation, choose a language from the drop-down list, and type the question text and answers in the selected language. Here you choose the question difficulty level. A question can be labeled as easy, medium, or hard. This kind of labeling is helpful because it helps prepare created questions for later generating options. A hint is a small piece of information that helps the test taker answer the question. You can enable it and define whether it will carry negative points. If you select the option to limit the time or question in the second step of Test Wizard, you will have the possibility to define a time limit in seconds, minutes, and hours. Moreover, you can also add another assistance called Additional Time. It enables candidates to use the additional time to answer a question. In the settings for the test, you have several more possibilities that affect essay question settings. Specifically, you can require answering all questions. Enable so-called I don't know answers so candidates can avoid negative points. And choose to show the question metadata to candidates, which refers to difficulty level, points, penalty points, and so on. Let's now log in as a student to present the candidate's perspective of the essay question and its configurations in the test. In the top right corner, we can see a countdown timer for this question. Here is the place to answer, and this text can be edited. Moreover, candidates can attach a document, picture, diagram, or graph that complements their answers. Below here are assistance options. If they are chosen, a candidate will receive penalty points, just as we have configured.